Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, incredible day it's going to be today. Hey, this is, I would say, hey, family, but welcome back to the Family Reset Daily Steps to Strengthen Unity. And today marks 30 days of growth, and we're closing with the most important foundation of all, leading with love. So we are day 30, the power of leading with love. And if we start thinking about it, love is the glue that holds families together. It's not just a feeling, it's a choice, an action, a commitment. 1 Corinthians 16:14 says, do everything in love. When love leads, patience follows. When love leads, forgiveness becomes easier. When love leads, families thrive. The way we speak, the way we serve, and the way we show up for one another must be rooted in love. And so today, here's your challenge. I challenge you to lead with love in one intentional way. Whether it's a kind word, a hug, a selfless act, or simply listening, let love be your guide. Watch how it transforms the energy in your home. Love is the greatest reset of all. So let's commit to leading our families with love every single day. So thank you for joining me on this journey. Stay tuned for what's next as we continue growing together in strength and unity, especially when our families are part of it. Make sure you lead in love. There's no other way to do it. I'll talk to you tomorrow.